Hey guys, I'm here with another set review, which is the Lloyd's pullback race car. Anyways, let's get into the review. So Lloyd's pullback race car is pretty cool. It has this pullback motor right here, plus these little green bits. So it's pretty technical, so you can just, it's supposed to be stable, I'm pretty sure. See? Like, I'm banging this around and it's not breaking. Like, see? I'm not breaking. So pullback race car is where you pull back and it goes. Yeah, that's kind of the point of the pullback race car. Let me show y'all the pullback function. So if I move everything off my desk, I can show you. So you can pull back and then, one sec, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Pull back and it should go flying. See? Either way, you can even pull it back here and it'll go pretty far. Pull it back and it will go far. See? That time I flew off my desk. It could probably go farther. Yeah. It's pretty cool. You can pull it back pretty far. One sec, before it starts to kink. Oh my god, bro. I think that's his, and then you see how fast that went. That could have gone zoom in. So like you could pull it back so far. And then watch it. That would have gone back. Anyways, it uses the climbing hooks that were introduced in the March wave of last year. Uses these, which were introduced in this color in the March year, in the January of last year. Has some dark green, lime green, regular green, and gold. Plus a stick up front. To represent like power. That's weird. Anyways, yeah, I showed you the pullback function. Pretty cool. I think this would be a very fun toy for kids. Also, more stickers. And plus these little things. I don't know why they're here. But anyways, the minifigures included the Seabound blade piece. The main figures are included are Lloyd in his storm suit and a Dragonian without the little flyer, but flyers come in other sets, so you could probably make this a full minifigure if you really wanted to. First, Lloyd. Lloyd is a pretty cool minifigure. He uses this bright green for the hood, mixed with dark green for his little storm suit, helmet, lime green for the hands for some reason, and lime green printing, plus as the accent color, plus gold, black, and bright green. It says Lloyd right there, plus these lions. Some gold armor, plus some more armor. That continues around back. Plus which is a dragon symbol, which this side is just a lion, and this side is like the source dragon of life. Maybe again hinting to the Lloyd is really the source, the elemental of life. The source element, the elemental master of life. Anyways, wish he kind of came with his armor piece. And no, this armor piece does not come in the set. But you can easily fit him into the car with his armor piece. Like, he can easily fit comfortably in it with his armor piece. Sure, his hands can't go this side. He can fit easily in with his armor piece. So there's literally no reason they couldn't have. But anyways, yeah, just a complaint on my side. Next is our Dragonian. I'm not going to talk about this deeply because I already reviewed it a bunch, but he has this new exclusive head mold. Dragon head hat mold. With a place to put horns. This brand new exclusive armor, which can go on top of it. 2 studs to put the little dragon flyer. 2 face prints, one being a fire breath effect, and one being a regular face print. And the torso and legs are the same as every other Dragonian figure. With a rope belt, armor, more armor, scales, and more armor. And this sword that came back in the day. Glad that piece is still around. Anyways, yeah. Overall, this is a pretty good set. Although, I really wish the Lloyd came with his armor piece. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. And remember, Ninja never quit. Also, by the way, I completely forgot about this set. Also coming with these 2, which you can use to knock over. Have that knocked over. So yeah, I completely forgot about that. Anyways, carry on with your days. Remember, ninjas never quit.